Hello viewers, today talk about in a new video. Salman Khan recently opened up about battling trigeminal neuralgia, a painful nerve condition, and revealed a detail about the 8-hour surgery he underwent to overcome it. Please have a look. On Too Much with Kajol and Twinkle, Salman Khan recalled going through the pain of years. He shared, when I had trigeminal neuralgia, that pain used to be. You would not want your biggest enemy to have that pain, and I had for 7.5 years. Abroting further, he added that it used to be happen every 4 or 5 minutes. It used to take me an hour and a half to have many breakfasts, and I used to go straight to dinner. For an omelette, I used to take me because I could not, so I used to force myself to eat, he said, and recalled that every painkiller would not be help. Salman revealed that initially doctors thought the problems was with his teeth, but when they noticed that the pain worsened while he was drinking and realized that it was nerve related. He recalled first feeling the pain on his set of the 2007 film Partner when Lara pushed a straight on hair from his face. Laughing, he said, "I said, "Wow, Lara, electrify." That is when it started. Salman Khan said the pain is gone, but recall it the worst pain. It is called the suicidal disease. The highest number of suicide happen because of this condition. Amir added, because you can't handle the pain. Salman explained that he shared his experience to raise awareness as many people suffer from the condition, but few knew about it. He further started, now it is very easily treatable. There is a gum knife surgery. They fix a screw on your face for 7 to 8 hours. They make you lie down and with the gum knife, he said as the recall going through 8 of surgery. He shared that after the surgeries, he was told that his pain would reduce by 20 to 30%, but luckily it was completely. Now the aneurysm is there and arteriovenous malformation is present, but you have got to live with it. There are a lot of people living with bypass surgeries, heart conditions, and so many other things. He's included. On the work front, Salman is currently shooting for Battle of Galwan. Stay tuned for the latest update. Don't forget like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.